In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create insightful financial visualizations using the Monarch Money app or website. Whether you're looking to track spending, understand your income patterns, or assess your net worth, having a clear visual representation can be a game changer in managing your finances. Let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, ensure that you've either opened the Monarch Money app on your mobile device or accessed their website on your computer. This setup is essential as you'll need to be logged in and ready to explore your financial data. Once you're in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Reports. This is your gateway to unlocking a treasure trove of financial insights neatly categorized for you. Upon entering the Reports section, you'll be presented with several options. At this stage, you'll want to decide whether you're focusing on spending, income, or net worth. Each option allows for a unique perspective on your finances, so choose the one that aligns with the insights you're seeking today. For instance, selecting spending will bring up a detailed overview of your expenditures, while income will show you patterns in earnings, and net worth will provide a snapshot of your overall financial standing. With your category selected, it's time to enhance your understanding with a graphical representation. Tap on the chart options or view type depending on which interface you're navigating. This feature is where you can specify how you wish to visualize your data. By choosing a bar graph, you'll be able to clearly see distinctions in your financial activities, making it easier to identify trends and outliers. The final step in this process is to customize your experience by setting a specific date range or selecting particular categories that are relevant to your current focus. This customization is particularly useful if you're tracking budgets over a quarter, analyzing year-on-year income changes, or focusing on specific expense categories like groceries or entertainment. Once these preferences are set, you're done. At this point, your bar graph will dynamically update, providing a clear visual representation of your data. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps within the Monarch Money app or website, you've now transformed raw financial data into a visually engaging and informative bar graph. This tool can significantly enhance your decision-making process, enabling you to gain a deeper understanding of your financial habits and trends. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide has empowered you to make more informed financial decisions and to take charge of your financial journey with confidence. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively.